My teacher needs to know that I know what I know, so I'm going to write to show what I know. If I say everything that's important about this topic, my email's going to go on forever. I'm going to be selective. I'm going to introduce my topic really thoroughly with background and context, maybe even some definitions and data. I'm just going to get right to the point. If I use a high-level vocab, it'll show that I've been reading and kind of be impressive. I'm going to use a clear vocabulary that's familiar to my readers to make sure my message gets across and nobody gets stressed out. Gotta remember to do everything that's on the rubric. I'm going to have to decide how to write this thing on my own. Guess I better think about my reader and think about my goal.